Hi folks, today's video is gonna be about some old mug I made a lot of years ago. It's based on the Blacksmith House of 2002, which is over there. It's like an upgraded version of this house. Look like this, red roof, some bat on it, with a water mill, functioning water mill, water and plants, can be open. So let's see the interior. So the hammer, which I need to fix. To look closely, there's this, which is turning. This is, if I see this correctly, this is making the hammer hit the sword. This is the bed of the blacksmith, some storage, all kind of stuff. This is where he eats and where he stores the weapons he is forging, he is smithing. This is the fire pit. The windows can be opened. There are some masonry in the wall because it's an upgraded version of the classic Blacksmith House. There are bricks on the chimney. The door, which can be opened like this. So that's pretty much it. So thank you, hope you have a great day. The progress on the castle is being done. So thank you.